Good morning, my name is Andrew Smart and I'm an account manager at Aston Technology. Today I'll be speaking to one of our GIS experts, David Renn, a consultant for Aston Technology. We'll be discussing the benefits of using iShare Insights with Power BI. So, David, as an ex-GIS and planning and performance manager in local government, can you explain how using iShare Insights with Power BI can benefit local authorities?
Integration brings data to life through the visualization capabilities of native Power BI. iShare Insights makes it simple to access the data and to produce dashboards and reports with appropriate visuals to aid understanding seamlessly and efficiently.
And can you elaborate?
Of course, it's a given that colleagues making critical decisions need access to up-to-date information. But I know from experience and from our clients that GIS teams are always busy. Often clients aren't sure which aspects they need to drill down into. Preliminary analysis often raises further questions. The GIS team or report creator often can't analyse data as quickly as their colleagues need you to. In an ideal world, anyone with minimal GIS experience would be able to access and analyse complex spatial data without needing your help.
And you can do this by utilising iShare Insights with Power BI.
Absolutely. Using iShare Insights enables any user, even the public, to visualize location-based data. Here is an example of a dashboard showing crime data. Here you can see we have 3 filter boxes for crime type, district, and the period at which the crime took place. There are also visuals to show the location in the form of a map, the information as a table, as a pie chart, and as a graph. Notice you can use the filters to select the individual crime type that you're interested in. And if you're interested in more than one, you can select a number of different crime types, noticing how visuals, the pie chart, the graphs, the table and the map is updated in real time. If you're interested in just a specific area, you can select that district. Or if you want more than one district, you can select those as well, and you can see the distribution, the pie chart, the graph, and the table updated. If you're interested in a specific period, you can use the date selector to pick a start date or just simply the slider. With users analysing their own data and producing their own reports, you and your team are free to work on other business critical projects.
That's fantastic. Thanks, David. Do you know who's already using this?
Clients using the integration to improve service delivery include Cleveland Police, local authorities serving Rhondda, Walsall, Stockton and Cardiff, to name just a few. But many others are interested in the concept.
Is keeping the data up to date time-consuming?
No, updates can be automated thanks to iShare. They can happen in real time or at scheduled intervals. This gives your decision makers accurate, up-to-date data to work with. There's no need for them to manually manipulate the data, and there's a reduced risk of errors.
Sounds good to me. And how can people find out more?
In other videos, we'll talk through the iShare Insights with Power BI example dashboard in more detail and show you how to use pre-styled ADS and polygon data. We're also happy to set up a demo for anyone who's interested. Simply contact us.
Thank you for your time, David. Goodbye for now.
Thank you. Goodbye.